3472 automatic refrigerated milk car by Lionel. Here are the various parts. This is the body, and then the doors, the door frame, and another door frame. This one was busted and will have to be replaced. You'll notice it doesn't have a little hinge up here. So these are the springs that keep it together, and here's the platform where the milk cans get thrown onto, and this is nice and shiny now. Gavin, my grandson, and I, Gavin helped me clean this up and made it all nice and shiny and oiled it up, and it's really nice now. The car's innards here were all gunked up and didn't work very well, so I cleaned off the gunk with some alcohol, and now I'm going to turn the power on. Over here I can see that it is on with this light, and now I'm going to press this button that says unload, and we will watch the man as he moves onto the platform. So he seems to be working well. Okay, there's the coil pulling that plunger in, spring returning it very nicely. Everything seems to be operating fine. Now I'm going to put the milk cans into the car. You always have to, oh, that's another thing that was wrong with this thing. The one of the milk cans was in upside down, and so it was jammed, and I had to take this top off to get it out and clean the inside. I am still going to have to rewire this wire to this coupler and down to this coupler, so it because the wire was cracking. I tried just to insulate it over here by putting some electrical tape on it, but as I was working with it, I felt that it was too stiff, and as I was moving it, it started cracking on me. So I will have to replace that wire, all the wires. So here we go. I have the milk cans loaded, and now I'm going to press the unload button, and the first one, of course, is empty, and then the can drops down into place, and when I hit the button, the milk can gets thrown onto the platform, and here we go. The second one drops into place. Oop, it dropped into place. They have little magnets on the bottom, and hopefully they won't fall over. But there we go. I only have 3 milk cans, so let's see that operation again. We load the milk cans in the top of the car. There's one. Make sure they're facing the right way, and this is the third one. I think they come in sets of 5, but here we go. There's the first one, empty. 1, 2, 3. Oops, he's really throwing them out there, isn't he? Let's try it one more time, and hopefully he won't. Maybe I'll turn down the power a little bit. I'm going to turn down the power, and hopefully you won't throw them so hard. Okay, so this is my old transformer. Let me turn down the power to about halfway. Okay, and now let's see what he does. Ready? First one is free, and it loads up the first milk can, and here we go. 1, good. 2, 3. Okay, so it works better when the power is not up to full. Well, that's the milk car, number 3472 automatic refrigerated milk car by Lionel. After I finish this one, the next project is going to be the one in the back, which is a 3462 automatic refrigerator. Now that one has metal doors on it, and that's how you can tell. That's one of the ways. The other one, it also has a really hard access to the loading, whereas the 3472 has a very easy operation. Just push on the back side and it opens, rather than trying to grab it underneath like this. So there we go. And this is what I like to do. It was kind of a fun project. It's a lot of fun for me, and that's what I really enjoy doing, repairing the trains and bringing them back to life. I hope you enjoyed this little video. It was made on August 3rd, 2015. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.